Mesa homeowners enjoy plenty of sunshine and warm weather throughout the year, making outdoor spaces an important part of everyday living. Whether it's a backyard patio, a pool area, or a simple outdoor seating space, the connection between indoors and outdoors plays a big role in comfort and lifestyle. One of the most effective ways to strengthen that connection is by installing patio doors. Designed to open up your home and enhance accessibility, patio doors can transform how you experience your living space. One of the most noticeable benefits of patio doors is how they create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Traditional doors can feel limiting, but patio doors, especially sliding or French styles, provide wider openings that make it easier to move between spaces. In Mesa homes, this means you can step outside effortlessly, whether you're hosting guests, enjoying a quiet evening, or simply letting in fresh air. Natural light is another major advantage. Patio doors are designed with large glass panels that allow sunlight to pour into your home. In Mesa's bright climate, this helps create a more open and inviting interior. Rooms feel larger, more vibrant, and more connected to the outdoors. This increased light can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, adding to overall efficiency. In addition to light, patio doors improve ventilation. Opening them allows fresh air to flow through your home, helping to cool indoor spaces naturally. During early mornings or evenings when temperatures are more comfortable, this airflow can reduce reliance on air conditioning. In a warm climate like Mesa's, having the ability to quickly ventilate your home adds both comfort and convenience. Patio doors also enhance the overall usability of your outdoor space. When access is easy and inviting, homeowners are more likely to take advantage of patios, decks, or backyards. Whether you're dining outside, entertaining friends, or relaxing with family, the connection created by patio doors encourages more frequent use of these areas. This effectively extends your living space beyond the walls of your home. Another benefit is the visual connection they provide. Even when closed, patio doors offer clear views of your outdoor surroundings. This creates a sense of openness and allows you to enjoy your yard or landscape from inside. In Mesa, where outdoor scenery and natural light are part of the lifestyle, this visual connection enhances the overall living experience. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration. Modern patio doors are designed with features like insulated glass and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. This means you can enjoy the benefits of large glass panels without sacrificing comfort. By reducing heat transfer, these doors help keep your home cooler during hot days and maintain a consistent indoor environment. Ease of operation is another advantage that makes patio doors a practical choice. Sliding doors move smoothly along a track, while French doors offer wide, elegant openings. Both options are designed for convenience, making it easy to open and close them as needed. This simple functionality adds to the overall appeal and usability of the space. Durability is especially important in Mesa's climate. Patio doors are built with materials that can withstand heat, sunlight, and daily use. High-quality frames resist warping and fading, ensuring long-lasting performance. With proper installation and minimal maintenance, these doors continue to function well over time. Patio doors also contribute to the aesthetic appeal of your home. Their clean lines and expansive glass surfaces create a modern, stylish look that complements a variety of home designs. Whether your style is traditional or contemporary, patio doors can enhance both the interior and exterior appearance of your property. Professional installation is key to maximizing these benefits. A properly installed patio door ensures a secure fit, smooth operation, and effective sealing. This prevents issues like drafts or misalignment and ensures the door performs as intended. In the end, patio doors improve indoor-outdoor living in Mesa homes by creating a stronger connection between spaces. They bring in natural light, improve airflow, and make outdoor areas more accessible and enjoyable. For homeowners looking to enhance both comfort and functionality, patio doors offer a practical and visually appealing solution that fits perfectly with the Mesa lifestyle.